senior officials of the Government of India, secretaries to the Government of Mizoram, resource persons from the Office of the Controller General of Accounts, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to inaugurate this workshop on SNA SPARSH, organized by Institute of Government Accounts and Finance in collaboration with Finance Department. At the outset, I extend a warm welcome to the distinguished resource persons from the Office of the Controller General of Accounts, senior officers of the Government of India, and administrative heads who have gathered here today. The advancement of technology is no longer confined to technology sector alone. It has transformed every sphere of governance, especially the way public financial management is carried out. Across the world, governments are increasingly recognizing that efficient financial governance must be supported by intelligent and responsive digital systems. The Government of India has also undertaken several initiatives to modernize financial governance through application of technology such as PFMS followed by SNA SPARSH framework. At the state level, we have taken measures towards strengthening and modernizing our financial systems through integrated financial management system. These initiatives have enabled real-time tracking of fund flows, just-in-time fund disbursement, direct transfer to beneficiaries, and greater accountability in the management of public funds. Such systems have significantly reduced the possibility of idle fund parking, and it improved cash management through integration with banking systems and state treasuries. In this regard, I would like to emphasize that Mizoram has always welcomed and embraced such reforms. We have accelerated efforts to integrate our systems with key national platforms such as QBER system, PFMS, and the National Payments Corporation of India for Aadhaar-based direct benefit transfers, in addition to various external scheme portals. These reforms have not only enabled the seamless and timely transfer of benefits directly to the beneficiaries, but have also established comprehensive audit trails that strengthen transparency, accountability, and efficiency at every level of governance. At the same time, we are all aware that technological transition of this scale require coordination, capacity building, and a collective willingness to embrace change. While we recognize that there is still considerable work ahead and much more to achieve, we remain optimistic about the progress made thus far. The journey of reform and digital transformation is a continuous one, and we are committed to moving forward steadily with dedication. While Mizoram was brought within the ambit of the SNA SPARSH framework at a relatively later stage, the state has made commendable progress in implementing the required reforms. Through coordinated efforts of all stakeholders, we are able to submit compliance successfully. I am happy to state that Mizoram was among the few states eligible for incentives of Rs 350 crores under SASCI Part 9 for efficiency in financial management during the last financial year. Thanks to Anupamji. In this regard, I would like to place on record our sincere appreciation for the support extended by the Office of the Controller General of Accounts. The SASCI guidelines issued by the Ministry of Finance contain multiple parts and reform-linked incentive structures. Our goal in the current financial year is to strive for eligibility under all applicable parts. Achieving this will require collective effort across departments and continued support from the Ministry of Finance. I request the officials of the CGS office to continue providing your valuable guidance and technical assistance as we work towards meeting the reform milestones and maximizing benefits available to the state under the SASCI framework. It is both timely and encouraging that this workshop has been organized through the collaborative efforts of Institute of Government Accounts and Finance Department. Capacity building and knowledge sharing are essential elements in ensuring the success of reforms of this nature. I sincerely hope that these sessions will help address existing knowledge gaps and strengthen our collective understanding of the evolving financial management framework, ultimately serving the best interests of our people. I also appreciate that the workshop has been structured into different sessions with targeted participants. Today's session, in particular, is meant for administrative heads of departments whose leadership and understanding are crucial in driving these reforms successfully. The transition from conventional processes to digitally integrated financial systems has fundamentally changed the manner in which schemes are implemented, monitored, and reported. It is therefore essential that administrative heads fully understand these evolving mechanisms and how they differ from earlier systems. In this regard, I would like to highlight a few important points. Number one reform that can help us realize our full potential this financial year is the enhancement of financial powers delegated to administrative heads of departments through the Charter of Financial Advisors. It is hoped that this initiative will expedite administrative approval and expenditure sanctions to improve the efficiency of scheme implementation. Departments are expected to utilize these enhanced powers responsibly while maintaining financial prudence. This will facilitate utilization of funds and timely release of next installments. This is a new system we have introduced recently, and the SOP has been approved by me a week ago. So by next week or so, I think we'll be able to get it operated. Experience from previous financial years has shown that greater proactiveness is required in fulfilling conditions necessary for securing SASCI funding, including closure of all SNA accounts and timely expenditure after issuance of mother sanctions by the concerned ministries. Despite our overall progress, the non-closure of a few SNA accounts during the last financial year resulted in the state being unable to avail the second installment under SASCI. That amounts to, if I remember correctly, 111 crore. Yeah. I hope all the departments have now closed their, make their SNA accounts zero. Administrative heads of departments should accord the highest priority to the timely submission of uses, as delays adversely affect the release of subsequent installments of central assistance and impede the implementation of department programs. I also urge all departments to actively pursue their proposals with the respective ministries and maintain proactive engagement to facilitate their timely approval. My official visits to New Delhi provide opportunities to take up important state issues and proposals with the concerned union ministers and senior officials. To enable me to effectively extend support, I request you to provide me well-prepared talking points and all relevant supporting documents relating to your proposals well in advance. A coordinated and proactive approach will significantly enhance our ability to secure greater support and resources for the state. Some departments have some projects pending for a long time, and when senior officials as well as union ministers came here at Aizawl, oftenly they want to meet me. And if they just come without any preparation for our side, it is not fruitful. But whenever these people are going to meet me, I request all the department to prepare a document to brief me and to get me prepared with the talking points. And when such meeting take place with a good preparation, it is always very fruitful. And similarly, when we go to Delhi, you should make use of the CMO. If you have any pending issues with any ministry, you brief me. When I go to Delhi, I'll meet the minister and other senior officers. When we have a meeting with the ministers, almost 100% of our requests has been responded positively. So this is very meaningful and very important. Number 4 is, under the revised guidelines of SASCI Part 9, states are expected to enable direct benefit transfer mechanisms for all schemes, including state-funded schemes. We must therefore work collectively to adopt DBT as a standard mode of payment to improve efficiency and reduce leakages. 5. The governance and financial management landscape is evolving rapidly. As public servants entrusted with the responsibility of delivering effective and accountable governance, we must remain responsive and ready to embrace new systems, reforms, and technologies. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize that under Part 4 and 9, 2026-27, Mizoram has the potential to secure incentives amounting to Rs 650 crore. This represents a significant opportunity to strengthen the state's fiscal position and accelerate our development efforts. Harnessing this potential will require sustained commitment and collective action from all stakeholders. With these words, I convey my best wishes for the success of this workshop and look forward to meaningful outcomes. Thank you.